Meet the family. This is my grandfather's family before they went to Malta, his children. Sylvia, Mary, Charlie, his family, his pride and joy. Times were tough in Malta. They didn't have much, but they were happy. The strapping young lad, stoic, his beautiful young wife, Angelina. The happy family, the simple life. Sylvia's first communion. Sylvia's marriage, his proudest moment. Walking her down the aisle. The man and his empire, his grandchildren. He spoiled them rotten, but he loved them rotten too. The happy couple today.